Overwhelmed by endless forms and links? Say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to self-service, the one-stop solution for all your DBS servicing needs. Whether you're opening a business account or adding authorized signatories, just type in what you need and get answers to your questions with ease. We've brought your most used services like user management and updating signatories upfront for easy access, so you can get what you need, fast. Update your company profile and submit maintenance requests, all in one place. Do away with paperwork, submit frequently used forms digitally. Seamless and intuitive, you can also save any time and continue later. It's banking on your terms, simple, secure, and always available. That's not all. Stay on top of your requests every step of the way. The Track Service Request function provides real-time updates from request initiation to completion, ensuring you're always in the loop. Try it out yourself. Get started now. Make banking safer, simpler, and smarter, so that you can focus on what matters most. Experience banking made easy. Experience DBS IDEAL.